Hi everyone, welcome back to my page. I'm super excited to be here today to tell you all about Beautycounter's holiday collection sets that are launching. We have a new product category to announce and a lot of new and existing things to go through today. So real quick before I dive in and get started, I would really appreciate it if you could like and subscribe. Like this video, subscribe to my page. I'm trying to adjust my chair. And you see one of my dogs in the background, Sunny. He's my little sidekick today. So, okay, the first thing I'm going to share with you is if you've been around for a while, then you've probably seen that Beautycounter holiday sets. They're very popular. We have 14 sets this year. It is a combination of new and existing products, new colors, new scents, all the fun things, and really great packaging. So you really won't have to do much gift wrapping on your own. However, they are limited edition, which means limited quantities, which means once they're gone, they're gone. So if you see anything that you absolutely must have, I recommend you order yours ASAP. And then you can come back later and get items that you want, but it's not like you can't live without kind of thing. Okay, so this is an unboxing. So I will be opening these boxes with you. The very first set I want to share with you is really, really exciting. It is a new product category we're entering, and it is perfume. So if you've been following me for a while, or if you're familiar at all with clean products, we all know synthetic fragrance is historically very bad for us. And the reason for that is because it is usually not disclosed what's in the fragrance. Typically, it's just a bunch of chemicals that are bad for our bodies. However, in Beautycounter's case, that's not the case. So you get this cute little box, and inside this box, and I'll do my best to tell you the prices of these too. So I have my little cheat sheet here. This is our perfume duo set. The name of the set is Clean Eau de Parfum Duo. I probably said that horribly, but you get two scents. You get Sunspill and you get Miles Away. Sunspill is a very clean citrusy scent. Miles Away is a more outdoorsy, woodsy type scent. They're both in a rollerball applicator, so I'll show you. Has a rollerball on it, which is great. It's more sustainable, so you don't have all the little pieces of plastic. Comes in a glass bottle. And the set of two of them is only $55, which I think is a really great price. So that is set number one that we went through. And I'm just gonna be going through these at random. This one is so cutely packaged. I'm so excited for my friends who have teenage girls to get this, because I think it's a great gift item for teenage girls. We have our lip jellies. So again, if you've been here a while, you know that the lip jellies are usually a holiday gift item. There are 5 in this package. The scents are Lollipop, Sugar Plum, Sorbet, Oat Latte, and Confetti. So these are really fun. They smell great, they taste great. All clean, of course, and safe for you and your girls. And that set is called the Main Squeeze Lip Jelly, and it's $55. And again, a note about these sets is a lot of them you can break apart and get multiple gifts out of. So you could break apart the lip jellies and combine them with, some other items to, kind of stretch your dollars a little bit more. Okay, this next one I'm going to show you is a little mini makeup set. It is called the Lashes and Lips Makeup Duo, and it comes in this cute little pouch. And then inside, by the way, I'm wearing a lot of our holiday makeup today, so I'll show you what I'm wearing. Inside, you get this little box that has a mini mascara and a Changemaker lipstick. So the Changemaker lipstick first came out about 2 or 3 years ago, maybe 3 years ago. So you get a full-size lipstick. And at first glance, it looks really pale pink or clear, but this lipstick changes based on your pH. So every person who wears it will be slightly different pink. I have mine on right now, and I put in I'll put it on my hand, and you'll see, I put it right here, but you'll see, I'll come back to it, it's gonna change pink. Okay, so this is a really cute set. I think this is really fun for makeup minimalists. If you're on the go, having that mini mascara is really great. If you're on the go a lot, you can just keep it in your purse or your little makeup bag. And this set is $46. And I don't know, you can see it's starting to go pink now, see? Yeah, so that's a really fun product. You cannot get those normally on our core product line. Okay, so that's definitely a special item. All right, the next one I'm going to go through is the Goodnight Glow Duo. It comes in this great box. It's 2 of our core products. The core products are the ones that are in our permanent collection, but these are travel sizes. So you have your overnight resurfacing peel for body, and then you have the overnight resurfacing peel for your face. So that's what comes in this set together, both in travel size. And again, you can refill the bottles from the full size, so you don't have to throw those away. That one is Goodnight and Glow Duo. Yeah, that one is $55 as well. Okay. Okay, next I'm going to show you another skincare set. Comes like this. It's a travel set of our Counter Match collection. So I'm not going to take out all the little individual pieces, but I want to show you this cute bag. This bag is TSA friendly. It's see-through, and you can see in here the products. So what you get is you get this little mini travel set for Counter Match. Okay, so you have your cleanser, your moisturizer, serum, night cream, and toner. And that's a really great set. We don't have travel sets often. The containers are refillable. So once you're done with the little ones, or if you have the full-size ones, you can just refill them. And then it's also a great way to try that skincare line. I actually have a client who put in a pre-order with me to get those in advance or as soon as they launch, so she can try the Counter Match line. Okay, this is another really special item we don't have on a regular basis. It's our hand cream tubes. The hand cream trio has 3 hand creams in here. The scents are coriander and cucumber, jasmine and citrus, and bergamot and cedarwood. And these are in recyclable aluminum tubes. It is a $36 set. And again, it's easy to break it apart into multiple gifts if that's what you choose to do with it. Okay, this is another really great one I'm super excited about. Now, if you've been using the Counter Time Tripeptide Radiance Serum, this is a really great value. The Counter Time is our anti-aging line, and the serum is phenomenal at reducing fine lines and wrinkles. And this set comes with 2 rolling skin globes. So this serum alone is $87. This set is $86. So it's a really great value. You have 2 of these globes that you put in the refrigerator about 20 minutes prior to use. And once you put your serum on, you take the skin globe and you roll it on to apply the serum, but it also helps with minimizing puffiness and with product absorption. So that's really fun. This is a great gift for skincare lovers, or if you yourself use the Counter Time, that's an awesome set to have. Okay, more on skincare. 2 of our core products that are very popular. They launched this set early and it sold out, of course. It is the Brighter Days skincare set, and what it has in it is a travel size of our vitamin C serum and our travel size of our triple acid AHA toner. This toner is phenomenal for pores. It is our pore refining toner. Absolutely fantastic. It is the only thing I've ever used that visibly made a difference for me in my pores. So this is definitely a great set to get if you're loving these products and you want travel size, or if you've been wanting to try them, and you can try them together. And that set's only $39. So it's a really great way to get in on that. Okay, one item that we had last year that has been brought back. We don't have powdered makeup often, actually at all. All of our makeup in our core line is cream based, but we do have a really beautiful eyeshadow palette for the holidays. This is our Every Essentials Eye Palette, and it's talc-free powder. I'm not wearing this one right now. I'll show you what I am wearing, but I love this palette. It's super fun and easy to use, and if you are a powder makeup fan, you need to grab this while we have it. It's also a great stocking stuffer item. Okay, body care. Actually, hold on. I'm going to show you more of the makeup since we're kind of on that track. Now, I am wearing both of these items. Following in line with the powder makeup, we have a powder talc-free highlighter for this holiday season. Ta-da! I am wearing this one right now. I use the new cream blush that I'm going to show you next, and I put the highlighter on my forehead, nose, cheekbones, and chin. I might have accidentally used a little too much, but I love the powder highlighters. They're super easy to use and they're fun. And then you also have in this set a new shade of the cream eyeshadows, which I am also wearing. The color is Blaze, and I think this is one that they brought out a few years ago, but I love this color, especially for the holidays with the gold. So I'm wearing that one right now, you can see. And again, it comes in these really cute little box. You don't even need to wrap it. So if you love giving gifts, but you hate wrapping gifts, comes in the box, all done for you. And that set is called the Shimmer and Glow Makeup Set. And that one's $49. Okay. All right. Next, I'm going to show you the last makeup set, I think. Oh, no. We have two more. So this one is called the Hidden Gem Makeup Set, and it's super cute. I'm not going to take it all out of the box, but it comes in this box, opens like this. I hadn't put back correctly. I'm going to show you it. We have a mini Glow First Primer Serum, and then you have a new Cheeky Clean Cream Blush called Jewel. It's hard to see it in this lighting. I think it's definitely more purplish than it looks, but I'm just going to show you. I already put some on earlier, but I'm just going to do a little bit more so you can kind of see just a little bit more. I don't want to overdo it, but you can definitely see the highlighter, right? Okay, so I love our cream blushes. They are absolutely fantastic. They're super easy to use. They also double as eyelid color, like a eyeshadow, and lip color. So if you're traveling, if you're on the go and you want to minimize what you're taking with you, this is great. They're also refillable. You see that little pinhole? When you're done with it, you just pop it out and order a refill. So this and the Glow First Primer Serum is a great set. That one is $55. So there's a few that are $55. So they really did try hard to stay with a good price range this year. And then a favorite among many, if you've been here for a few years, you know we love our mini lip glosses, and we have our mini lip gloss vault back. So these are 4 mini lip glosses, all new shades. This one has shimmer, and they're all scented with our responsibly sourced organic vanilla. And again, it's a great set to keep for yourself for all 4, or you can pick one and gift 3, pair it up. You know, again, it's a great way to break them up, stretch your dollars, get more gifts. And that is $49, and it comes in this really cute box. Okay. All right, we got 3 more to go. And these are some of my favorites, so I'm super excited about these. The next one I'm going to show you is our Body Butter Trio. Winter is coming. The air is getting cooler. Our skin gets drier. Body butters are fantastic for that. And with this set, you get 3 little body butters. They're all different scents, and I'll walk you through them. This one is neroli and chamomile. This one is ginger and tonka, and I think this one's my favorite. I'm going to show you the body butter too. Like, look at that. Like, it's so great. It's thick and hydrating and just feels amazing. If you got the body butter last year, then it's the same formula, just different scents. So these are fantastic. And then this one is lavender and sage, and I think this one is actually the one I like the most. I can't decide right now. I like them all. But again, this is a great gift for one person. You can break it up. You can pair the hand creams and body butters. There's, you know, so many different ways you can do this. Okay, then another one of my favorite sets that we have is the skincare trio. It is called the Polish and Plump Facial Trio, and it has 3 of our very popular skincare items. Comes in this great box. Again, no gift wrapping required. 3 items. I'm going to walk you through them. This set is $89, so it is a little bit on the higher price end, but it has a mini cleansing balm. The cleansing balm is phenomenal. It is a skincare minimalist's dream. You put it on, takes off dirt and makeup in one swipe, and that's it. You're done. If you are more on the dry side, you can reapply it and leave it on as an overnight hydrating mask. Okay, so that's that one. Then you have our new Mighty Plump Ceramide Water Cream. Phenomenal moisturizer, especially in the morning. This is fantastic. And then one of my personal favorites, I use this every Sunday without fail, is our Reflect Effect AHA exfoliating face mask. This has a chemical and a physical exfoliant. I'm pretty sure I've done a video about it, so I can link that in the description below. But these, again, you can break this up and get 3 gifts out of it. You can give all 3. You can keep one for yourself and give 2. However you want to do it. It's your thing. Okay, and then this last set, personal favorite of mine. I love the core products, but I definitely love the new scent that they came in. And the nice thing about this set too is it's such a great value. You have 2 full-size body products at like half the price, I think. So this is our Sugar and Silk body set. You get full-size body oil and sugar scrub. The body oil by itself in our core collection is $72. I think it's $72. The sugar scrub by itself is $50. This set is $89. Come on. So again, you can get the whole set and gift the whole thing. You can break it apart, keep one for yourself, gift the other. Like, they're never gonna know. But if you gift the whole set, you get it already wrapped up and ready to go for you. So that is our holiday collection this year, guys. I'm super excited for it. I think it's gonna be so much fun. I cannot wait to see what you guys all choose for yourself and for people on your gift giving list this year. A couple things to note in the description of this video. I have a few links for you. I have my website link so you can go online and shop these sets. I have a shopping booking link. So if you need help picking out product or sets for yourself, you can use that link and book a Zoom session with me where we can walk through things together and I'll help you figure out the best items for yourself and for those on your gift list. And I'm also going to link in that description the video for the Reflect Effect mask, but you can also go through my channel and find them. I've done a lot of different videos on different products, but if I'm missing one, please let me know and I'm happy to do a video for you on that product. Okay, all right, so this has been a lot longer than my normal videos. I appreciate you sticking here with me and watching. Please give me that like and subscribe because I will be doing more in-depth videos as the holiday season progresses to kind of help you with your shopping. Okay, I hope you have a great day. Thanks again so much for watching. Bye.